got world-renowned Chef Striker on the jet, as always. That's the only option we do. Yes, sir. Super grateful to be here with each and every one of y'all. The impact that y'all making on the world is just incredible. Cheers to greatness, y'all. Let's get it.
I know, I look crazy. Hey y'all, it is a rainy day here in Atlanta, and listen, I gotta preserve the hair. If y'all know, y'all know. So listen, we're at a different type of event, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with us. We're here, we're about to do some work, and then we're gonna fly out later on. So come with us on another vlog. Mike is over here. Say hey, Dave.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, man. So listen, it was raining, but I'm not ashamed to carry around the shower cap because the leave out gotta stay preserved. So we're about to do some networking, some content, business, but sprinkle some fun in there and bring y'all along, of course.
Anything we learn, we're gonna share with the family now.
And shout out to y'all for being amazing and hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for getting us to 50K. Couldn't do it without you. Special thanks to all of my subscribers, friends, family out there. Appreciate y'all. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Like this video because it's gonna be lots of fun. So come along with us on our new vlog, all right? See you soon. All right, y'all, so we're about to head out to the executive airport, and this is our ride for the evening. Side note, this was my dream car when I was in my 20s, which is a Bentley. So look at that. Dreams do come true eventually. So we're about to hop into the Bentley here and ride over to the executive airport, and y'all ain't gonna believe what we about to get on. Y'all gonna see. So come on with us.
And first and foremost, man, I'm super grateful to be here with each and every one of y'all. The impact that y'all making on the world is just incredible. I want to toast to us impacting more lives. Cheers to greatness, y'all. Let's get it.
Great morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Sorry we did not close out the flight. We landed in Fort Lauderdale at like 2 a.m. or something like that. Anywho, we just finished off a beautiful trading day. Had a wonderful, easy trade on QQQ. So textbook. We were able to catch it on live. And now we're headed down to the mansion to head to the boat. So guess what? You're coming along with us. It's a beautiful sunny day in South Florida. I have my co-pilot here with me, like always.
Like I'm doing something important, look. I can't cross my legs. I ain't got no room to cross my legs.
You say you're trying to act like you're doing something
Like I'm answering emails.
Oh. But nonetheless, y'all, I had to hurry up and like literally duck out. Just did my makeup in the car. But it's the life. We love it. God gave us this. When we get to the house, we'll try to show you as quick as we can because we gotta like dip out to get on the boat for 1 o'clock. So come with us. All right, y'all, so we made it to our port. We're about to get on the boat. We're here in Brickell in Miami. About to have an amazing day of content. So excited. But also being able to suck up the Florida sun and take advantage of this beautiful day. So come along with us on a yacht for the day. Right on. Let's do it. Hey y'all, we have had an amazing couple of 48 hours, or yeah, I think it was 48 hours of just a lot happening. Y'all, I know y'all saw my husband jump off of a yacht today. I was
Lost
like,
my earring, y'all don't know what my earring is. But guess what? Don't tell nobody. They weren't real. Alright, so I don't feel too bad about it. They're a little fake little. I got one.
It's okay.
But
I'm gonna get him another one. He worked hard today. I just finished a class, a wonderful class, met some awesome people. So excited to keep going and helping them on their journey. But we are running to a late dinner. I think this is it's 11 o'clock. and we're about to head over to Nueve to meet up with the rest of the folks to close out tonight. It's been a wonderful Tuesday to see all the things you can do on a Tuesday. Like, how cool is that? So about to have dinner with a bunch of super cool
entrepreneurs.
Folks. Yeah, super cool folks. And yeah, tomorrow's another day. We're gonna trade, and then we're networking mastermind pool party. So here we are. Hey y'all, great morning. We are here on day 3, I believe this is. We woke up, sorry, I don't think we closed out yesterday, but we had a great dinner and then went home. Passed out per usual. We're up early. We were at the mansion and Wi-Fi was being a thing. So luckily we have a friend that's staying at the St. Regis Bal Harbor. So we're about to go there to go trade live, draw my levels. So listen, y'all can't say we don't show up. Y'all can't say we don't love y'all, because look what we're doing. We have a whole chef making breakfast, a pool party, everything, and we had to leave.
Don't show my face.
He's not happy.
We're missing breakfast for y'all, so can't say we don't love y'all.
So, anywho,
we have Wi-Fi issues.
We have Wi-Fi issues. Yeah, they know we're having Wi-Fi issues. So, anywho, we're about to go get set up and get on live trading, see what the market has in store for us. Then we have a day of masterminding after that. So.
Setup. Got our 2 computers here. Wham bam. Wham bam. Listen, we in a rush. We just digging through stuff. It is what it is. It's my little setup over here. It's the luxury of trading, y'all. Just need a little internet. Got a little room. You want to see our little room? Backyard. It's our little view. Pool. So we're gonna do a trade for an hour or so. They're in there cooking breakfast, and let's get it.
Now, I know I'm greasy, but it's been a long day. It's been 72 hours of amazingness, and I brought y'all along. So, unfortunately, I have to close out this vlog. Mike and I loved bringing you on the private jet, on the yacht, and also to this beautiful mansion. And you got to see a teeny bit of the mastermind that we got so much gems, but I'm excited for whatever else is in store for us for 2026, and we're gonna bring y'all right along with us. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and until the next time, we hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. Until the next one, we'll see you.